speak up. Hi guys, this is Shundel again. Today I want to share with you speak up. Guys, we all have the right to speak up what you mean, what you like, what is your opinion. Guys, my topic today is speak up. I reaches the chapter learning how to speak up. It is very important, guys, that we can speak up our own feelings, our own thoughts, and our own plans in life. This is about self-development, and we are doing this for ourselves. Thank you guys that you are with me in this journey, and I am sharing here with you every day what I am reading. Still, I am not in good situation, in good health. I am in sick leave this week, but I must do my homework. Now I am sharing with you, speak up. Guys, it says here, we have the right to speak up, to defend ourselves, to speak what you want in life. You can speak to your boss, you can speak to your family and friends just to voice it out, what you mean, what you like. You are entitled of your own opinion, and each and every one of us must be respected. As I always say in my channel, there is always love, respect, and acceptance. Yes, we must respect somebody when we are listening to them, what they are talking, what they are speaking up. We must respect them by listening what they want. Guys, it says here that our words have power. There is power in every word we are speaking, and it is very powerful. We can both speak good things and bad things at the same time. But what you are speaking, it is affecting you, it is affecting your life, it is affecting your mood. Because what we are speaking, there is power in it. If you want to speak good words, do it, and good things will happen to you. If you want to speak bad words because you are angry, then you are using those bad, nasty words. Then your life also will be a nasty one because you are speaking your own words, calling the bad things in your life. This is not easy. This is a process of learning, and self-development is about a work with yourself. It is an effort to improve yourself, to do the things you want, to move on forward. As it is written here, we can even speak up of our sadness. We can even speak up with our confused. We can even speak up when we are angry, but do it in a right way. Even guys, you are betrayed. Someone betrayed you. Still, you have the right to speak up. Speak it up, voice it out in order to release the pain, the anxiety within your heart. Speaking up is one also of the medicine in order to keep on moving to the next step. Because when we are not speaking up, it's all inside in our breast. It's painful, it's confusing, and we feel the sadness. Speaking up is one of the powerful things you can do to yourself when you are confused, when you are sad. Like this few days, guys, what I am uploading about my situation. This is my life journey. I am sharing with you what I am working, what I am developing with myself every day. I speak it out to you that I am sad. I speak it out to you that I am confused. Now I am speaking up that we have all the right to speak what you want in your life. You are creating your own words, and there is power in it. So guys, it's all about, again, respecting yourself, loving yourself. We have to be mindful what we are speaking. We must speak it from our heart and mind. Of course, God give us mind is on the top, the heart is below, because we must use the mind first and have to consider the heart. But first, we must think what we have to speak. It's not always easy because we are powered sometimes by our feelings, and it is in our heart. And what we feel when we are angry, it's painful. Then we speak the nasty words. Then we speak the bad words because you're having pain, you're frustrated, and you are angry. But guys, I remind you, the point of this, of speaking up, always use your mind first. Always use your thoughts, the good words to speak what you have to say. Everyone is also entitled to be respected. If you do the speaking in a good way, the right words, others will respect you as well. Of course, we can be frustrated because of our situation, because I am sick at the moment. I cannot concentrate at work. Yes, the dizziness. I feel like to vomit when I have so much headache. Where I can speak, I am speaking it to you. I am sharing it with you, even though I am not in the good state of mind. I'm writing it. I have to write what I have to speak. I must read, I must write, and be mindful what I am sharing with you. Again, I am not perfect. I am still in the process of learning. This is my training. I am trying my best to apply it with myself, and it is not always easy, especially when you are feeling anxious. It's not always easy, but still I am sharing with you, and I want you to read down the description so you can understand more what I am trying to deliver here. The description is the message for you for further information, further understanding what I am sharing with you every day. Guys, speak up. We must be careful of what we speak daily, because what we are speaking daily is affecting in our lives. For example, you are going to speak the good affirmation. You affirm it every day. I am happy, I am healthy, I am wealthy. You keep that doing in your mind. Then you feel happy. Then you feel wealthy. You are wealthy. Then you feel the happiness. Your feelings goes with it when you are aware what you are speaking. Because it says here, we will become so aware of the things we want when we keep speaking it, talking it in front of the mirror, affirming it what you want. Keep affirming, I am healthy, I am happy, I am wealthy. See, you must affirm it. Speak it to yourself. Guys, at the moment, I'm not as healthy as you can see in front of the camera right now, but I keep telling myself, I am healthy. I can make it. This thing will also pass by at this moment. This is a stage of life that this is a way I must go through in this life journey. This thing will pass away. This is just a passing through trials. So I speak it. I'm trying my best to believe it. I'm working with myself. It's always an effort to work with ourselves, and it's painful sometimes. Therefore, we must speak it out when we have pain. We speak it out when we are sad. We speak it out when we are confused and someone betrayed us. So guys, it is about you. You have to do the speaking for yourself. And I hope your family will listen you as well. Your family and friends will listen you as well. But if you have the right friend, a true, sincere friend, they are there to listen your worries. They are there to listen your happiness. In good times and in bad times, true friends can understand you, what you are going through. So speak it up to the person you trust with. So guys, I will be reading in the description what I am speaking here. We are all capable of speaking the good words in order that good things can happen in our life. Even you are not happy, you must speak it that I am happy. Today is a wonderful day. It's a cloudy day, but still I said today is a wonderful day. Today is an amazing day. We must speak it so good things can happen in our lives. Guys, if you like my message, kindly click the like button and the bell button in order to be notified every time I am uploading a video. This is a life journey. I'm working with myself. I want to share it with you so we can grow together. Nobody says that life is easy. Life is amazing, but you are the one who can make it amazing by working and taking that effort to do to yourself. Speak it out to someone you love, to someone you can trust with. Speak it out to the person involved. So guys, it's not easy, but still, we have to do the work for our own self. It is what it is. We must embrace every moment in our life journey. Be aware of your words because your words have power. That is my message today, guys, and I hope you have a great day. I wish you all a happy day, an amazing day. This is Yundel speaking, and I hope you will continue to follow me in my channel. Thank you so much, guys. I am forever grateful to each and every one of you supporting my channel. I will support you as well. I love you all, and bye-bye.